Utilizing the Autocad WS environment will begin by working with a file inside of Autocad itself. We'll see we can open up any existing Autocad file. Once we have the file open, we do have a tab for the online utilities. On this tab you'll see things like upload, where I can just take files and upload them to the Autocad WS environment, or we can go in this case we'll just open up this file online. The Open Online utility will start up our web browser, and it will upload the file that we had in AutoCAD to the Autocad WS environment. Upon uploading, it does open up that file for us so we can start editing this file through the web-based editor. You'll see it has a ribbon interface very similar to the AutoCAD environment. On the ribbon we have a series of tools. We've got drawing, modifying tools. We can also select the objects right in the graphics window, very similar to selecting it in AutoCAD, and get a menu where we can go in and do some things, like, for example, copying. You'll notice as we use our tools, we can copy and we can snap to points. We can do it in multiple locations, again, in a very familiar interface, similar to how you might be doing things and accomplishing these functions inside of AutoCAD itself. We can snap to endpoints. We can go in, I can mirror functions, mirror geometry. As I mirror, you'll notice I can snap to midpoints, endpoints, intersections. Again, very similar to the ways that you might be doing things in AutoCAD. Now, this is not a CAD-dependent environment. Okay, it's being done in a web-based sense, so we don't have to have CAD on our workstations at this point in time. We can also go in from here and we can share this document. When we share a document, what we're going to do is we're going to set up potentially a meeting between multiple users. Sharing will start by going through and entering in email addresses of multiple people that you want to work with collaboratively. Once you share it, an email gets sent to all of the users that you determine. On their end, they will open up an email that will have a link. That link will then allow them to open up this drawing and start working on it just like you are. If they were to log in at the same time, we can do collaborative meetings. When they log in, you'll see we get a dialog that says that another user has joined, and upon them joining, you will start seeing their cursor in a different color. It'll have the name associated to that person next to the cursor. So as they are going through and doing things, whether it's copying, moving, creating new geometry, adding text, all of that will be visible to you as you are doing something else. Not only are you going to have the ability to edit geometry, but if you want to be able to say a few words back and forth from one person to another, there is a separate little window that can be activated where the users that are in this online meeting together can chat back and forth to go over some new concepts, new ideas, and make a much more robust collaborative experience as we're trying to work with these files. Thank you.